In this video, I'm going to show you how to limit your trading to just 1 hour per day. And if this idea resonates with you and you can follow along with what I'm going to describe here diligently, then I feel very confident in telling you that this idea will dramatically transform your trading literally on day one. So let's get into it, folks. My name is Mark at DynoTrading. It is good to be with you. And the first thing that I want to talk to you about is, why would somebody want to limit their trading to just 1 hour a day? Right? Well, I have 3 reasons that I'd like to show you on why I think it's mission critical and super important for you to start restricting your trading to a max of 1 hour or so per day. Okay? Reason number 1, and this is kind of a no-brainer, it allows you to reduce the amount of time spent at the computer. And let's be honest, man, it is exhausting, right? Maybe not physically exhausting, but it is definitely mentally exhausting to try to sit there at your computer from 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. Okay, the ability to sit there in your chair and stare at a computer screen and never take your eyes off of that screen, that's something that very few people can do, right? Unless you have an automated system that you deploy where you don't have to do that, which, most people do not, right? Then you are basically going to have to figure out a way to make your manual trading much more efficient and productive. And that leads me into the second reason on why you'd want to limit your trading to just 1 hour a day. Okay, reason number 2 is it allows you to potentially focus on the time durations and time frames in the market where the maximum amount of volume is being traded. And for me, I call that the opening session and the closing session, which for me is the first 90 minutes of trading and the last 90 minutes of trading. Matter of fact, take a look at my live trades from today. All right, look at how beautiful this volume indicator nailed the trend direction, right? You can see the volume color band, which is our proprietary volume indicator tool that we use to crush the market almost on a daily basis. You can see it turn from green to red right there. And of course, those of you guys that actually use the vol, you guys know this was a beautiful short retracement that printed exactly at 9 a.m. today, right? Matter of fact, take a look at my fills, right? You can see I got filled at 303 on my short entry. I opened 2 contracts on the NAS, and you can also see that I dumped this hog at 258, made about 200-ish ticks on this beautiful short. All right, and yes, I fully understand and realize that I could have made a lot more. I literally did a video on this last week talking about how to squeeze more out of a gorgeous trend whenever that trend shows up, but that's neither here nor there. What's more important is I want you guys to focus on the times here, right? Take a look at the x-axis. I opened this trade at 9 o'clock this morning, and I was done with this trade 18 minutes later. Okay, so when I say to you it's extremely efficient to potentially think about, trading just 1 hour a day, you know that I'm not joking, right? These moves and these types of moves are very possible both in the morning session but also in the afternoon session. All right, matter of fact, let's take a look at the afternoon session. Let's keep this train moving here. This was a long trade that I missed. I should have jumped on this one, but I was on the phone. So I'm kind of kicking myself on this one. That's why I wanted to mark that off for you. But if we keep this going, take a look at some additional signals that show up in the afternoon session, right? Look at the volume turn green right here. Let me just go ahead and outline that. Okay. And then you get the beautiful retracement right here. So I think there's definitely a case to be made on why it's a good thing to restrict your trading to just 1 hour a day. Okay, and you can pick. You can trade just the morning session or just the afternoon session, or for those of you guys that are really aggressive, you can trade both. But by far, guys and gals, the most powerful reason that I can give you on why you should consider trading just 1 hour a day is because the best traders in the world are minimalists, right? We only take maybe 2 or 3 trades a day max. Because on the flip side, those traders that are taking 50 trades a day, 70 trades a day, sometimes even 100 trades a day, you know what happens to those people, right? When you trade that much and you're constantly just churning your orders, the only person that gets rich is your broker. You understand? Like, I have not met a single person that has been able to be profitable by over trading. And so if you can find a system or a strategy or a technique that can provide you with a way to laser in on only the highest probability setups of the day, then I personally think that's going to make a huge impact on your trading. All right. Congrats to all of my people who had a great start to the week using our proprietary volume indicator color band. There was a great short that I caught, as you can see, in the morning, but there was also a really nice long here about 10:45 a.m., like heading into lunch. I know some of you guys caught that as well on the vol. Overall, a really productive day. I'm always in a good mood when I start Monday with a 200 plus tick profit. Congrats once again to everybody who crushed it today, and I'll see you on the next trade. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.